Living on the Moon Mentally. Episode 3, this is brain development, how sleep affects the brain, and mental health issues and many disorders. So today we're going to talk about brain development for teens and as well as some other things, but we're going to start off with brain development. The teen brain changes during adolescence.
What is adolescence?
Well, adolescence is a transitional stage or time of physical and physiological development that really only occurs when puberty is in the process. Also, the brain stops growing from early adolescence. Then by your teen years, it's really all about how the brain works and its fine-tuning to when the brain stops growing when you hit mid to late 20s, so like 25 to 29 through those years. So a part behind your brain matures the brain, which is called the prefrontal cortex, that really matures in the brain as you tend to grow. Some things make the brain responsible, such as social experiences and peer relationships, which make the teen focus more on those than really any other things. Peer relationships emphasize the prefrontal cortex and kind of goes along with it as the brain matures. So those really make the brain focus more. Now we're going to talk about how sleep kind of affects and goes with the brain.
Why is sleep important?
Well, sleep is important because it can help form pathways and many different memories in your head.
So, what is a pathway?
Well, a pathway is a route formed by a chain of nerve cells that let you form memories and learn many things at once. Not getting any sleep can make you lose focus and make you not able to concentrate on many things at once and respond to things as things are going on around you. And sleep really also helps your brain function better to make you physically function and cooperate as things are going on around you. Nerve cells also go along with not getting enough sleep because those communicate with one another, and if you don't have enough sleep, they're not going to communicate the right way that they are supposed to. Sleep removes toxins from the brain, so getting enough sleep removes all the toxins that are in your brain, which can make you have a wonderful and bright day. So while you're asleep, the brain removes toxins that built up when you are awake. So getting enough sleep can remove all the toxins that built up in your head while you are up and active. Sleep affects your whole body, every nerve, every tissue, every system. It affects everything, including the brain, obviously, the heart, the lungs, and into the immune system, metabolism, your mood, disease resistance. It affects everything. So not getting enough sleep can ruin not only you, but the people around you and just your body, really. Also, getting a lack of sleep can increase health problems and many mental illnesses, such as high blood pressure, um, you can gain a lot of weight from not getting enough sleep. So, just getting a lack of sleep can increase many health problems and mental illnesses, high blood pressure. Um, you can gain weight from not getting enough sleep. You can just get a lot of things if you're not getting a good night's rest. Sleep is a dynamic and complex process. and that will also affect how you function on your everyday basis things. So just get sleep at that point. Just get enough sleep to have your body function the right way that you would like it to. There are multiple types of treatments that you can get if you end up developing a mental illness, and we're only going to be talking about one of those, and that is therapy. Therapy is the most common types of treatments for any mental illness. And therapy has one main goal, and that's to improve your health.
Why is therapy important?
Well, therapy is important because talking it out can not only help you, but others around you in the way you just go on about your day and not have anything build up inside of you, but to go to therapy and talk it out. Therapy also helps learn how the brain works and really how your mind works throughout your day. Um, Therapy also allows you to navigate your feelings, build good habits, and form a good mindset while talking things out with a therapist, a licensed therapist. Now I'll be talking about maybe one or two types of common mental illnesses. We're going to talk about depression and bipolar disorder. Well, depression is a mood disorder characterized by lowering moods, loss of interest and enjoyment, and also reduced energy. Sometimes you don't always feel sad. There are many other symptoms of depression and different levels of severity that are related to depression. Depression can also really lead to suicidal thoughts, behaviors. Um, there's many other ways to describe depression, but that's just the way I found to describe it. Now, bipolar disorder is a mood disorder previously referred as manic depression. Um, Things that can happen are different episodes, as they would call it, of mania and depression. Environmental stressors can trigger episodes as well. Sometimes psychotic symptoms a person may or may not go through. So you really are, there's really different moods that you can have if you have bipolar disorder. But bipolar disorder aren't just being sad or happy or mad. There's many different emotions that you can go through, as they would call episodes or triggers, or but there's many different episodes that people go through of manic and depression. And that's all on the brain development, how sleep works, and treatments slash mental illnesses.
Peace out, girls.